듣기만 하고 가버리나요 대화창은 옹달샘 초라하구나 말풍선 아니 물풍선 같네 화가 나 아이코스 진동에 또 낚였네 여전히 희망의 끈에
So the next song, Pow by Mino, it's the 8th song in the album. Let's go. Pow sounds like a kind of aggressive name, so I wonder if it... Okay, I was wondering if it's gonna be a hard song, but maybe not. Okay. Ooh, still like a... Ooh. That's kind of a dragging rap, you know what I mean? Do I need to bump this up? Ooh. Okay. He's dragging his lyrics while rapping. You know what I mean? He's like dragging the words. Ooh, this is more sentimental. Okay. This is like old rock band kind of drums. Ooh, wow. Wow, what are those high-pitched vocals in the... Ooh, those are cool. Okay. Oh my god, his accent is so good. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god, he's not stopping. No oxygen needed. No breathing needed. Ooh. I love the it is a very very smooth transition between that rap and these sort of high note vocals. So it's like it's not at all awkward, you know what I mean? It has that really smooth slide into the vocals from the rap and then into the chorus line. Wow, this is a really nice song. Ooh. Oh my god. The ad-libs. I don't know if that was an ad-lib. This is really again a slower tempo, slower beat, sort of spatial song, you know what I mean? Because it's like limited amount of instrumentals. But you know, as I say a lot, not good songs aren't made with a lot of stuff, you know what I mean? It's like too many chefs ruin a broth, right? So too many instruments might ruin a song. Sometimes that spatialness, sometimes that emptiness is better for a song to just maintain the vibe of the song and the mood. And for like somewhat softer songs and emotional songs like this, it might be better. That was Pow. Next, Click / Han River View, which is a weird name in itself, but let's go. Wow, again, another majority of the songs here are sort of chill and sort of slower songs, which is not really, I didn't really know what I expected, but I expected. I'm not wanting anything. This is equally good and the songs are equally nice, but I expected a like 50-50 division between slower songs and really hard-hitting rap songs. But it's not the case, at least till like the 11th song. I don't know if the last 3 songs are crazy hard-hitting. Maybe not. Ooh. This album seems like, I mean, the name of the album is Take. I wonder if that has any significance with like... Okay. If that has any significance with like Mino's storytelling or Mino's own experiences. I really did not look into any of the... wow. Sorry, I'm talking about the song. Ooh, this has... I just now noticed the background sort of electronic continuous electronic drag there in the chorus. Ooh. All of his raps are like iconic though. It has that the flow in every rap has something unique about it and something like terrifyingly awesome about it. Ooh. See what I mean? Even the song is slow, the rap isn't held back. It is full of power, full of emotions, full of Mino's feelings. Bruh, Song Mino, you're making me a fan of you, dude. This is not okay. Ooh. See what I mean? The electronic music, whatever it is, the background, it's just a rotating, continuous sort of reverb effect maybe. Ooh. This is also a nice song. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, those horns are so good. Oh my god, that's nice. Oh, I love these horns. It wasn't there in the verses, right? He added them for the bridge. Wait, what just happened? What is this? Why did it switch up like that? What happened? Is that meant to be? This is like the official Spotify link for his album. It's by YG. So this is gotta be like. That's weird. What happened? Ooh. Is that like why there is a slash for the name? Like the first part was Click and the next this somewhat sort of rap is Han Riverview. This was so abrupt. What happened there? I really don't know what happened. Like almost 3/4 way through the song, it just switched on me. Okay, I don't really know. Bookstore featuring BY. BY is another really famous rapper and hip hop personality in Korea. He like won a bunch of Show Me the Moneys and he was in a lot of them and has like really amazing legendary tracks in fact. So Bookstore. This might be a more hip hop or more powerful concept since BY has that effect. Ooh. Oh, definitely more upbeat. Ooh, I love the beat. This reminds me of... Which was that? So, Okidoki? This kind of jumping beat reminds me of Okidoki, somewhat. But the style is different. The flow is different. Ooh. My god, his deep voice is so good. Ooh. Okay. A lot of singing in like included as well. That's maybe the reason why this is not, titled or labeled under a mixtape. Rather, it is a full album. Because though he's like a... Oh, that's BY. Yeah, he's fast as fuck, dude. BY is crazy. Hey. Oh my god. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, that pause was sort of eerie. That's why, like, as I was saying before, BY so rudely interrupted me. I'm just kidding. It was fun. That's why this is not titled as a mixtape. Maybe it is like full album. Because even though he's like a main rapper of Winner and he was like rapper originally before YG, he can do a lot of good different stuff including really good vocals. And he showcased it in a bunch of songs. I Want to had some of his vocals. I think Daylight and Hoppin', both of those had some of the vocals. So, which is good in a way, and which shows all of his sides. Okay, Sunrise. This is the second to last track of this album. Ooh, acoustic guitar. Sounds, with a name like Sunrise, it like gives like peaceful vibes. Ooh, I'ma like both of these songs. Also, I always, if you all don't know, I always stream on official Spotify links rather than like lyric videos, because it does not help the creator, in this case Mino itself, by reacting to those other channels. So it's always better to like rely on official sources as well. Ooh, just the guitar, nothing else. Just the guitar and a void, and some, I think there are some piano chords. Ooh, God, Mino, stop with those vocals, dude. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Still no other instruments, still just the guitar. Bruh. It's not. It is somewhat of a hopeful and a uplifting song. It's not total dark and depressing. I think they added like more piano chords. Ooh, bruh, Mino. Oh God, stop that. Oh, it is so good. It is so pleasant. Especially getting this from Mino of all people. You know what I mean? Imagine Song Mino with this kind of stage performance, dude. It would be legendary. Ooh. Hey, oh, they added a hard bass line and added, ooh. I just now noticed the high sort of violin sort of instrumental. And the slow fade away of instruments. Wow, this was really good. Sunrise, man. Okay, final song of the EP, full album. Lost in the Crowd. Okay. Fast paced than earlier. Oh my God. He's doing that airy vocal rap sort of thing that he always does. Ooh. Hey. Again, just the acoustic guitar supporting. This time it is a bit more extensive though. Less of space in between. Ooh. A lot of, as I said, definitely a lot of slower songs in this album, which is, I don't really know. I haven't known Winner that much to know if they extensively do this kind of music. Some of, like, in the title tracks there is a bunch of variety, of course, with stuff like So-So and other title tracks like Really being somewhat upbeat, somewhat hard-hitting, somewhat charismatic. So fast. The diction's incredible. While other title tracks like Remember, which is their latest title track, being somewhat emotional. Even Hold was their pre-release single, was pretty upbeat. So they have a bunch of variety for their title tracks, which is why I really don't know. I haven't listened to their albums before. This is my first Mino album as well as like somewhat Winner album. So I don't really know if their B-sides are somewhat similar to this or maybe more poppy, more hard-hitting. I'm not sure. But from the look of this album, this is way milder and way less powerful than what I imagined earlier. Which isn't bad in any case. It's just different. It's just shocking, or it's just eye-opening would be a better term to see this side of them, because to see this side it's sort of different. It's sort of, you don't get it too often via their title tracks. Not always, in fact, not necessarily you get to see this side. For all the groups, not just Winner, for many of the groups, this is the similar case. So it's really, if you want to jump deep into this, just listen to their albums, and that's the key. Wow, this was great. This was again another acoustic song, again another more fast-paced than Sunrise, but really soft, really again, I mean, I must say, not completely upbeat, but that hopefulness. It's not, none of these songs, I don't think so any of these songs, unless I'm not remembering one of them, but I don't think so any of this song, maybe Wah was like depressing, but other than Wah, I don't think so any of these songs were outright depressing or outright dark. They were upbeat, they were hopeful, they were really uplifting even, and really soft, more soft than I thought it would be. One of the only songs which was powerful was Okay Man featuring Bobby. Another two songs which I really one song which I really loved was their fifth song, I Want To, featuring Minoy. I don't really know who Minoy is, but that surprised me. It had such good vocal performance by her, of course, she's like a singer, and Mino as well, and it had a pretty good rap section as well. So yeah, probably that is my favorite song. That is my song of the album. If you don't know, I always, after listening to albums, I select one song which like I love the most and call it as song of the album for me. And I Want To is pretty up there. Probably that is it. I Want To is the song of the album for Take. Followed by Daylight was also really good. Okay Man was good. Runaway, his title track, was also really nice. So those three, Daylight, Okay Man and Runaway, could like compete for the second spot, but I Want To is the jam. That was most my style song. That was most song which I really loved. I think it is in the previous reaction, not this video, because I cut this whole album reaction into 2 videos. So check that out if you want to. It was a really fun song. I really enjoyed that. The only song which I slightly didn't like was Wah, for some reason, because I felt it was more lazy and more sort of mumble rappy, little bit of less lazy is like the word maybe, and I didn't somewhat connect with that. I don't know, but yeah, really fun album, really brilliant display of talent, I must say, because we know Song Mino is talented as hell, but it just showcased like this, and just seeing like such good, amazing, such performance, such really well vocal yet rap based songs, which is giving like less of a mixtape feel and more of a full album feel to an album by a main rapper is really amazing, and I really enjoyed this. If you guys enjoyed this along with me, please leave a like, please subscribe to my channel for further reaction. I would love to continue supporting Mino and entirety of Winner. I always loved them from the beginning, from my introduction since So, and I'll continue to supporting them even after, like, I think Gino is the only one who enlisted in the army right now. So even after like they come back from the army and again start promoting us for OT4, I'll definitely keep on supporting them. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I'll see you in another video. Peace.